Have you ever wondered which flowers bloom at night and fill your garden with a mesmerizing fragrance? Night-blooming flowers blooming under the moonlight bring an unmatched charm and scent to any garden. Stay tuned to learn about some of the most enchanting night-blooming flowers. From the exotic to the familiar, night-blooming flowers come in an array of shapes, sizes, and fragrances. Let's dive into the world of these nocturnal beauties. Starting with moonflowers, these large, white blooms unfurl in the evening to release a sweet, lemony scent. They are a sight to behold when they light up the night, resembling a full moon in the dark sky. Then we have the evening primrose. This yellow beauty is a marvel of nature, opening its petals in less than a minute as twilight descends. Its mild, sweet aroma is a pleasant addition to any garden. Next up is the night-blooming jasmine. Despite its delicate, petite flowers, don't be fooled. It packs a powerful fragrance. This intoxicating scent is strongest on warm summer nights and can fill an entire garden. Lastly, let's not forget the night gladiolus. This striking flower native to South Africa emits a strong, spicy aroma that's truly one of a kind. Its vibrant yellow blooms are a standout feature in any night garden. These flowers not only beautify your garden but also fill the night air with delightful scents. Each has its unique charm, adding a touch of magic to your garden when the sun goes down. Now you know more about the world of night-blooming flowers. These enchanting blossoms with their unique beauty truly come alive under the moonlight. They add an unparalleled value to any garden, transforming it into a nocturnal paradise. Their captivating fragrances fill the air, creating a magical atmosphere that's simply irresistible. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you want to learn more fascinating facts about the natural world. Until next time, may your garden be filled with the enchanting fragrance of night-blooming flowers.